Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I found the perfect picture frame. This picture frame is 11 by 14 size in black from PEALSN, and I love that it has the option to remove the mat. So if you have the mat in here, you can display an 8 by 14 picture. My artwork already came with a mat, so I removed the one that was in here, and it fit perfectly. I also love that you have options on how to display your artwork, so you can even put it on a table using this little flap, or you can hang it vertically or horizontally. I decided to go with command strip so I wouldn't have to make any holes in the wall. Here is what it looks like on my wall. I love the beautiful black finish. And on the top picture, I decided to leave the mat that comes with the frame. And I love the way that it makes the other artwork pop. So here it is, just completes the room. I love the picture frame so much. So if you're in the market for a great quality picture frame that is going to make your pictures stand out even more, definitely check out PEALSN. I think you'll love the quality of their picture frames, and also that you can have the option to keep or remove the mat. So many different options for hanging as well. So check them out. I think you'll like it, and that's my point of view.